We know that atoms come together to form the matter as we see. For example, inside a stone, atoms are glued together by attraction force and thus it takes some effort to break it. Breaking is nothing but separating atoms apart. Let's perform an experiment. Take some sugar and mix it in water. Stir the mixture. After some time, you will notice that sugar has disappeared. It is because sugar is completely dissolved in water. It can be inferred that there is some space between water molecules and due to stirring, sugar molecules must have taken this space. From previous two discussions, it is clear that 1. Inside a matter, atoms or molecules are glued together by an attraction force. 2. Inside a matter, there is some space between atoms. Now let's see the difference between ice, water, and vapor. In ice, attraction force between molecules is very strong and thus they are closely packed. In ice, there is very small space between water molecules and there is no relative movement of molecules. In water, attraction force between molecules is less compared to ice and thus there exists slight relative movement between its molecules. Due to this movement, water takes the shape of container it is put in. In vapor, attraction force between molecules is almost zero and thus they are free to move around. Ice is a solid form, water is a liquid form, and vapor is a gas form. Not only water but other matters also exist in these three states. For example, iron is solid at room temperature and it becomes liquid at 1538 degrees centigrade. It gets converted to gas at 2862 degrees centigrade. There are two other states which exist at extreme temperatures. At very high temperature, matter gets converted to plasma state and at very low temperature, it acquires Bose-Einstein condensate